Today we're exploring the Anker Magnetic Portable Charger, a cutting-edge solution designed to meet your power needs while on the go. With Anker's new mini-cell technology, this charger delivers high performance in a smaller and lighter package than ever before. Anker's innovative mini-cell technology allows the new portable charger to offer the same charging performance with fewer components. This breakthrough results in a device that is significantly smaller and lighter, making it incredibly convenient to carry. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or simply out for the day, this compact charger ensures you have reliable power without the bulk. One of the standout features of the Anker Magnetic Portable Charger is its slim profile. Designed to snap effortlessly onto your phone, it is slim enough to fit into your pack, purse, or pocket. This pocket-sized power bank is ideal for those who need a dependable charge without the inconvenience of a bulky battery. Equipped with ultra-strong magnets, this charger firmly attaches to the back of your iPhone 15 or 14. This strong attachment means you can use your phone as usual, taking selfies, making calls, and more, all with one hand. The secure magnetic connection ensures your phone stays connected to the charger, providing uninterrupted power. Wireless charging often suffers from misalignment issues, leading to disconnections and inefficient charging. The Anker Magnetic Portable Charger addresses this problem with its precise alignment feature. Simply snap your iPhone and the battery together for seamless, hassle-free charging every time. The Anker Magnetic Portable Charger is a compact, powerful, and user-friendly solution for keeping your devices charged on the go. Its smaller size and lighter weight, combined with a strong magnetic attachment and seamless charging, make it an excellent choice for anyone seeking reliable power without the bulk. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a busy professional, or simply someone who needs dependable power throughout the day, this charger is designed to meet your needs with convenience and efficiency. This was a review for Anker Magnetic Portable Charger.